Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you how I was able to install this beautiful coily wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So as you can tell, I am pretty excited about this wig. Like, this wig is just giving me everything. Like, the coils are just something else. They're just popping another level. Like, like, I'm speechless. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. I really love the lace on this wig is insane. Seriously, I think it came pre-bleached and the lace is HD. It's HD lace, so you can see it melts so well and blends so well with my skin, and it's as if I didn't even use the concealer to whatever, like nothing. And I didn't leave a baby hair. I know if you like baby hair, it's fine, it's going to look amazing with this wig as well, but I didn't leave out a baby hair. I don't have to. Like, it just looks so natural, as you guys can see, and it's so beautiful. Like always with coily wigs, I went ahead and moisturized the wig. If you want it to be fluffy, or when you let it dry a bit, it's going to get really fluffy. This wig is 250% density. It's really thick, and it's made with HD lace, as you guys can see. And if you're wondering, it's from Yolissa Hair company. I'm going to put everything that has to do with this wig, the link to the wig, description, everything that has to do with this wig and its description in the description box below. And of course, you can style it anyhow. As you can see, it looks so natural. As you guys can see, I can put it up, which I'm gonna do in the video. You're gonna see that I can put it up as well and do the half up half down style. Like, this wig is versatile. You can actually do anything, like style it anyhow you want to style it. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging of the wig looks like. So these are the accessories that came with the wig. And this is the wig. As you guys can see, the coils are very tight and very beautiful. And you can also see the lace on this wig, and it also comes with this comb and then the band. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig, and then I'll just put it in place to make sure that it's well secured. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front.
I am stronger now. I won't let me down. No. My enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise from the dark.
So after putting the place in place the way I want it, I'm gonna spray my beard hairspray. And then I'll tie a scarf to let it dry for like 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I took off the scarf. As you guys can see, the edges look so natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize the wig. I'm gonna spray water, apply leave-in conditioner and heat protectant serum on the wig to keep it moisturized.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
So I'm going to use my hot comb just to lay the front part of the lace very well.
I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. I love this wig.
Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
So I went ahead to do like a half up, half down style on this wig. This wig is very versatile. It's a lace frontal wig, so you can do so many styles in front. You can even braid the front if you want.
All the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down.
But I decided to do like a half up, half down style, and this is what it looks like. It looks so beautiful and so natural. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.